This exceptional, beautifully renovated home with spectacular views is nestled on a private cul-de-sac in a coveted Northwest Heights location. Close to multiple Forest Park trailheads and neighborhood parks, it's conveniently located with easy access to Highway 26 and downtown Portland. The courtyard, adorned with cobblestone pathways, a waterfall, and koi fish pond, welcomes you home. Discover a grand foyer, 20-foot-tall cathedral ceilings, dramatic architecture, phenomenal views, and walls of windows. From the multiple decks, take in amazing, ever-changing sunsets. The gourmet kitchen, equipped with professional-grade stainless appliances and a butler's pantry, plus a walk-in pantry, sets the stage for culinary delights. It opens to the dining nook and direct access to the deck for your morning coffee or tea. Double doors open to the main level office with built-ins and views of its own. An inviting sitting room is a perfect space for conversation or reading your favorite book. Upstairs in the vaulted owner's suite with exposed beams, you can wake up to breathtaking views. Unwind in the sumptuous primary bath with a standalone tub, luxurious shower, and designer finishes. Plus a spacious walk-in closet with convenient washer and dryer hookups. This level also offers 3 more bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a loft area. Descending to the lower level, a cozy fireplace and walls of windows frame a second hangout space. It's ready for game night. Relaxing in the top-of-the-line sauna. Or enjoying the wine cellar. You'll also find a guest suite with its own private deck. And a theater room with a built-in 8-channel surround sound speaker system, plus a second home office with a private outside entrance and built-ins. Outside, you'll enjoy 6 outdoor seating areas, including easy access to the lower-level yard with a fire pit. Other features include a 3-car garage with extensive built-ins, central vacuum, and natural gas hookups for 2 decks. Endless opportunities to savor the luxurious lifestyle of your dreams in this impressive home. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.